Okay, so if you want to set up a Flipgrid grid and some topics, I'll show you how to do it. So first you have to sign up or log in with Google. So that's short and sweet. So I already signed up, so I'm just going to log in. And so what you would do, the first thing, you see I have a bunch of grids here. So a grid is almost like, you see that this was my whole science class was a grid, and I have a science Olympiad grid and a student council grid. So to me, that was almost like an entire class. And within it, I have topics. So if you're just going to make one for like your class, you would do like a new grid. And so this is where you have to make sure that you allow them with SB Schools accounts. So name your grid whatever it is. Let's call it test grid for now. The easiest way to do it is this way with school email. And then you'll see in a little bit, you'll have an option to put in their school emails. All right, so hit next. And so it'd be at sbschools.org, which is by default. But what you need is also to add sbstudents.org, or else they won't be able to get in. So those are two that you want in there. So that's probably the most important thing that I can see messing up. And then it's going to make you your grid. It gives you a default topic. It just says like say hello, which you don't necessarily need. So you'd make your first topic. So maybe your first topic is called submitting videos about whatever. You can choose here the maximum amount of time. It goes up to 5 minutes, so it's up to you if you don't want them talking too long. And then you have to give them something here. It tells them almost like the directions. All this other stuff, for the most part, I wouldn't worry about. Optional, I wouldn't click on any of this stuff. I don't think you need it. And then your topic is good to go. Okay, and then from there, you just need to basically share the link with your students. So here it says Flipgrid code. You can just tell them the code, or if you click on it, you'll see it's going to ask you to log in with your Google account. And then this is also the link you can just give to them. And so then when they're there and they're all logged in, they'll see a big green button, and then they can just simply click on it. And, well, it's way too many of me. And they would just simply record the response. Hello, teacher, I am talking about wonderful things in school, yada, yada, yada. And then from there, there's other little features they can do, so we can always explore that later on. But the basics is they make the video, and then they review it, take the picture, okay, and then they submit it. And then you'll see it'll pop up right here, hopefully in just a second. I wonder if I need to refresh the page. And then all the videos will just kind of pop up one by one next to each other. And there we go. And then so it'll be all their videos. And so just one last thing I want to show you is another way you can do a video. So if you're a kid, you can either do this, which makes a new video, or sometimes, depending on your lesson, you might want them to reply to each other. So you would click on someone else's video, and then you can click here. And if you do that, it's the same idea. You make your video, and the only difference is you'll see there'll be like a little stream of videos underneath it. So it's kind of like a little comment stream. So if you have like one topic and you want them all to do that. So you see here, now I'm pointing at my screen as if you can see it. Down here is the bottom, so it would be all their replies. And over here, you can see the reply. So that's the difference, is new video or reply video. And that is essentially Flipgrid setting up grid topic in a super short amount of time. All right, as always, I'm here. Any questions, let me know.